Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to access user manual on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the list where you will notice tips and user manual. Simply select this tab, and here, as you can see, you will be able to come along with the whole user manual, all details regarding your device. Just click on user manual, and now you have to log in with your Google account. Let me do it. So at first enter your email address or phone number. If you would like to log in with your phone number, I will do it with my email address. It's HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com, and then click on next. Now enter the password. So if you will be entering the password, just tap on the eye icon to make sure that you are typing it correctly. And as only the password is entered, click on next. And here you can come along with all Google's terms of services and also the privacy policy. Simply click on the links and then you will be able to come along with the whole documents. If you agree with all of the above terms, click on I agree. And now just come along with backup to Google Drive feature, accept if you want to leave it. You can also synchronize your device with this Google account, and within a short while you will be in Samsung user manual. So here it is. Here is your user manual. As you can see, you can check key features guide, S Pen, camera, and all the others. You can have access to all the features. So if you have any difficulties with, for example, adding fingerprints or accessing the device care, you can simply open the manual and then come along with it. So let me show you, for example, key features guide. Simply click here and then you will be able to open, for example, S Pen. Here you've got all the questions or the requests and then the whole description on how to use it. So that's basically all. So you can access user manual in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So after that, your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will have no secrets. And that would be all. This is how we can activate it and use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.